What you looking at? Why you looking at me? Why you gotta do that? Can you please turn that off? Please turn that off. I get really cold right here. I'm really shy. Oh, she's gonna potty. Don't look.
No. No. No.
Look at me.
She pissed my butt. Not funny.
Say hi,
Hi, Kayla. Yeah.
Okay, you know what happens when you pinch my butt. Now it's time to be in trouble. Come on. You're gonna get in trouble now. No laughing. This is big time trouble. This is big time trouble. Ah! No laughing. Stop
Hang
it.
on, you better call this rape.
All right.
Ow.
Now I'm gonna tell Amy that you guys rape their children.
You might not. Let's not use those words, Michaela. It's okay, my little honey.
She's gonna be like, do not R.A.P. Eat me.
Go get Caitlin. Careful. Uh-oh. Wait, what's this right here? What